Hey everyone, welcome back to our Python Programs for Beginners series. In this video, we're going to learn how to create a Python file, write a Hello World program, and run it in the console. Open an IDE of your choice. In this video, we're using Visual Studio Code. You can open a folder of your choice. We are just going to use a recent folder that I have already used in this IDE. Create a new file. Let's name it main.py. .py is the extension for Python files. Now let us write our Hello World program. Python provides many built-in functions that perform specific tasks. One such function is the print function. It takes a string as an argument and prints that string to the standard console output. To call this function, type the function name print followed by parentheses. Inside the parentheses, we need to provide the string we want to display. A string in Python can be written in either single quotes or double quotes. We'll use double quotes here. Save the program. Now let us run the program. First, open the terminal. Let's check the list of files in the current folder. You should see your Python file listed. In our case, main.py. To run the Python file, use the Python or Python 3 command, followed by the file name. Type Python space main.py and press Enter. This command tells the Python interpreter to execute the file. It reads and runs every statement inside the Python script. Since we have only one print statement in our file, the interpreter executes it and displays Hello World on the console. To summarize, we created a Python file with .py extension, wrote a print statement to display a message, and used the Python interpreter to run the program in the terminal. If this video helped you understand how to write and run your first Python program, give it a like and subscribe for more beginner-friendly Python tutorials.